Hey, if you are wondering why your AirPods Pro 3 keep beeping, then here is actually why. Few issues. The first one, the low battery. So beeping actually usually signs that the earbuds or case are almost out of charge. So you have to put them inside the charging case, close the case, and recharge them. Sometimes they actually announce connection alerts, so they may beep when pairing or disconnecting from a device. Sometimes when you switch modes, like the noise control and the transparency mode, they can actually trigger a short sound. They can also make that sound when someone tries to locate them with the Find My, so they can actually emit a beeping sound. And the last one, the hardware or firmware issue. Beeping may actually indicate a glitch. Try resetting them. So to reset them, you will have to simply input them inside the charging case, and you will have to double tap quickly on that lighting sensor. So you have to just close it, now open, and when the lights is up, you will have to double tap for the 3 times to start resetting, and this indicator from green will turn to the red and starts blinking. And basically after you charge and reconnect them, they usually stops beeping. Let me know if it works.